Welcome to Locus Space.
Hi, I'm Callie. I'm a CS student at MIT.
I'm Ping Chen. I'm a theoretical physics major at Peking University.
Hi, I'm Justin, and I'm a CS major at UCI.
I'm Alan, and I'm an applied math major at UCI.
We're building Locus Space, an AI-native agent-human co-working space. AI is automating the production of everything: code, images, video, music, reports, and slide decks. The output of knowledge work is becoming trivially cheap, but the thinking that decides what to build, what to trust, and what to do next is still where the value lies.
This is why we built Locus Space, an infinite canvas where you and a team of agents do knowledge work together. Context files, prompts, and notes all live as cards on an infinite canvas where edges carry logical context, so the model's input is directly tied into what you can see on the board, which makes learning and context management intuitive and easy.
The highlight feature is the agent orchestration, where you can hand off tasks to a council of multimodal, multi-persona agents who debate, research, and build artifacts to improve both agent and human understanding.
The next useful AI surface should make thinking visible and inspectable, not buried in a thread. Spatial reasoning can only happen on a canvas and not in a chat window.
We shipped the MVP in 36 hours at Hacktech, and we've been building Locus Space inside Locus Space. We believe Locus Space has the potential to completely redefine the collaboration between humans and agents.
Thank you.
Start by typing on any card. Introducing the agent orchestration feature. First, the planning agent sees your context and runs its inference, spawning 5 separate independent sub-agents, each with their own personality and the ability for users to configure the model. Each agent would have their own standing order, and they're able to see what other sub-agents has outputted, and they have their own logic and reasoning behind attacking and also collaborating with other agents, enabling knowledge work to be developed. And the final product would look something like this: a full contextual graph with edges specifying the logical relations between each concept. This graph can then to pass off to the coding agent or any other agent for any kind of agentic workflow. It is not just text cards in these locus spaces, which we call thinking space. There can also be artifact cards, which can render JSX, mermaid diagram, LaTeX code, or HTML. These interactive artifacts help users and agents understand the concept. And for example, when doing product development work, you can ask the agents to generate a design artifact which conveys the design logic and language of the product that you're about to make, which can then be passed off to a coding agent, which would understand it much better than a PRD.
So I wanted to show you another space that we created within Locus Space. So this one is whether Locus Space can kind of build us an itinerary of things to do in LA. And so as you can see here, it kind of started, it's pretty messy. There's a lot of agents, but as you can see, it started with an initial itinerary, right? Which is around over here. But then I like how it doesn't just stop there. It kind of workshops it with other things, right? So it searched up LA attractions, it searched up what the cultural sites are, and then as you can see, it created this flowchart, right? This initial itinerary. However, if you jump over here, then you can see it actually found in this itinerary that there's a conflict, right? And so it created a revised itinerary, and then it was able to create that into a flowchart. And so this kind of showcases how, with all of these agents working together, they're able to produce something that is stronger than just if one agent was working alone.